In this video, I talk about how to buy Robux from eldorado.gg. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. These are not specific steps, these are the only general steps. Number 1. Visit eldorado.gg. Go to their official website. But be cautious, as there might be risks involved. Number 2. Find Robux. Click on currency and then choose Roblox from the game list. Number 3. Select amount. Choose the amount of Robux you want to purchase. Number 4. Payment method. Select your preferred payment method. Use caution with entering financial details. Number 5. Discount code. Optional. If you have a discount code, enter it here. Number 6. Roblox username. Enter your Roblox username. Number 7. Confirm purchase. Review the detail and confirm the purchase. Process with caution. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.